Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 22nd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro Yen monthly, as you can see, I think this is an A, I think this is three waves down for a B, and I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I think it's eventually going to go up and finish a 3, 4, and 5 of wave C, probably going all the way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is a B, probably all the way up to about the 165 area. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see just how strong this is. Our last ABC correction is way back here, but I think the 1 and the 2 is way back there, and this is all part of a big wave 3. I definitely don't think this trend is over, and I would for sure still be looking for longs in an uptrend, especially on shorter time frames, because I believe we are in a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, now you can start to see some of these smaller corrections. There's a smaller ABC here, there's a small one right there, there's a little bit of a smaller one back here, and it's still making higher lows out the whole way up, as you can see. Very, very strong uptrend, no signs of it being over yet, so I am for sure still going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, now you can see this smaller, most recent correction. Looks like a little three-way pullback right there. Higher low, higher low. Very, very nice entry to go long. Even this trend right here doesn't even look like it's over yet. So I would definitely still be looking for longs on shorter time frames. All the higher time frames are definitely still telling us the trend is up. So we definitely need to continue to look for longs in an uptrend on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour now is where you can really see that this is an A. You can see that this is all one corrective wave B, and then a downtrend for the C. Impulsive up, break of structure, so that the trend was over. Now it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which does make you wonder if it is going to make a push down, which honestly, hopefully it does make a push down, because that would give us more opportunities to go long at the end of an ABC correction for the continuation of what I think is a big wave 3 on the much, much longer time frames. Now, just because we see 5 waves does not mean that this trend right here is over. It very easily could just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and make many, many more than 5 waves up. That's a big issue. Just because you see 5 waves does not mean that a trend is over. Some trends make 7, 9, 11, 13 plus waves. So until we actually get a break of structure to the downside, the trend is definitely still up. And really, until we get a break of this structure down here, I'm going to do nothing but look for longs in an uptrend on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.